You can learn AWS, GCP, Terraform, Kubernetes, but still fail into the production. The reason is not lack of the knowledge, but how most people are taught cloud. Hey guys, I'm Kalpesh. Welcome to the Let's Crack IT. On this channel, I'm going to talk about all real world SRE and cloud lessons where things matter when system breaks into the production. Many cloud tutorials teach you only happy path where services are healthy, dashboards are all green, but where production is working fine. But trust me, production is not about when everything works fine. Production is all about when system breaks partially. In real world, system doesn't fail cleanly. There are multiple services which are dependent. So out of that, one service might be down, one service might be slow, and one service might be giving the timeout, and suddenly you just start complaining about it. Still, your monitoring and dashboard looks fine. That's where the problems comes into the picture. The dashboards are all green, but users are angry. I have seen a lot of real world problems where load balancer is showing healthy, but the buckets are slowly failing under the load, or one single IAM change breaking multiple services which weren't supposed to be related. And that's where the SRE thinking comes into the picture, that SRE don't ask, is my service up? They ask, what is the user experiencing right now? And then they ask about or think about blast radius, linear dependencies, and the rollback strategies. SRE specifically and highly depend on the rollback strategies. That's the main weapon of the act. Trust me, if you wanted to survive the production, stop learning all the cloud tool in a linear manner. Just start about learning how system behavior when something is failed or when production is down. That's what separate cloud engineers from the real production ready SREs. So if you wanted to learn about it, if you found this useful, please subscribe to the Let's Crack IT and wait for my next video. Thank you.